5 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 egg white, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all together and blend it. To have a good result with this body brighter, make sure you blend it just to mix and apply. You don't have any good result. I see few people just mix together and apply, but that way I don't think you can get any result. With that being said, you can apply this mixer any of your body part that you want to brighten up. It could be armpit, it could be your knee, anywhere, but it works really good.